Selecting your car in the Ohme app lets us know which electric vehicle is charging, as well as the battery size, range, and maximum speed at which your EV can charge. This information is important to make sure that Ohme charges your EV correctly. All EVs can smart charge with Ohme, but some benefit from more precise charging. Precise charging, by linking your car app account with Ohme, is an Ohme Labs feature that will allow you to set charging targets based on the battery status of your vehicle. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add your car and how to link your car app with Ohme. Let's start with how to add your car. When you first create your Ohme account, part of the setup is to select your car. Tap the make and model, and tap continue to complete the account setup. It's important that you have the correct EV selected before you plug in to charge, paying special attention to the battery size, range, and charge speed of the selected model. If you'd like to change your selected model, open the Ohme app and navigate to Manage My EV by tapping the menu button in the top left. Tap Switch Car and follow the steps as before. Next, let's look at how to link your car app with Ohme. We're always working to offer the latest in technology to our customers. As part of Ohme Labs, some EVs can benefit from more precise charging by linking your car app account with Ohme. This means you'll be able to specify charging targets based on your car's state of charge. In other words, you'll be able to tell the app to stop charging when your car's battery reaches 80%, for example. If your EV brand is supported, you will see an account sign-in option when selecting your make in Manage My EV. To start, tap Switch Car, select your make, and tap Account Sign In. Enter the login details of your car app account. Once you're logged in, if prompted, select your model, tap Done, and you will return to the Manage My EV page and see your EV's battery status. And that's how to select a car in the Ohme app. To learn more about the Ohme app, visit our help center at ohme-ev.com.